Okay, my dear students, now we are about to start our class. You know very well that on Sunday we have a common class for all the batches.
Sir, Saturday,
On the Saturday, what did I say?
Sunday.
Oh,
Sunday.
actually, I could not sleep today, so that is why my mind is going here and there. So, as you know very well, that on Saturday we have a common class, including all the students of all the batches. And today we have only speaking class. Though in B8 speaking is going on, and B9 this batch has just been started a week ago. But the old students of B1, B2, and B6 they are not their regular speaking classes. So B1, B2, and B8 in regular days they are learning grammar, advanced grammar, and B8, B1, and B2 students are on their practice for competition purpose, and B6 students are on the way of learning advanced grammar. In B8 we have started speaking, and B9 we have just started a few days ago. But on Saturday we call all the students in the same class, and this day you are given a topic, and for the students of B1, B2, and B6 it is necessary for them to speak upon that topic, but the students of B8 and B9 are exempted from it. It is up to them. If they like, they can speak on the topic, but if they don't like, they can some they can tell something else, like about their family members, about anyone else. But if they think that they are not able to speak here, so they are free from all types of foundations. They can only be present and listen to what the other students are speaking, so that they can, this way they can remove their agitation, they can improve their listening capacity, and whenever they get any chance of speaking, they can speak freely. So this is a type of practice class for all the students. So my dear students, first of all, I am very much happy with the performance of you all. You are doing very well. I am very happy that you are working hard with me, and I hope that you will keep it on, so that you can prepare yourself for your life, because you know very well that English is very important language. Without it, if we want to move ahead, if we want to progress in our life, this is very important thing, or I can say that this is very important tool. It will help you in your life. And as I always tell that academic concept and practical concept are two different things. So that is why you are here with me. So my dear students, today I am giving you a topic, very general topic, and I think you all know about that topic, and that is the pollution. So please focus on the points that I am going to tell you. What is pollution? What types of pollutions are there? And what is the cause or reason of that pollution. So first of all, you have to tell the what is the pollution. On the second point, you have to tell what types of pollutions are there, and then you have to express your views on a particular pollution, telling the causes or reasons of that pollution, and also you should express your views regarding the solution to remove or to check that pollution. So I think now you all are ready for it. And as you know very well, that on in this class we give a chance to any one of you to be the anchor of this class. Anchor means who can conduct this class. Like last two Sundays, last two Saturdays, we are doing the same process. So I think today one of you would be ready for this task. And again, I will say you to write their names in the chat box so that we can call the students to speak upon the topic. So please start writing your name, and anyone who is ready for taking today's class, please come.
Sir Suhani.
Suhani, anyone else? Because Suhani has taken the class last Saturday. If there is anyone who is interested for this class, else then Suhani and Gati and Purnima. I want to give this chance to all the students.
Sir, may I?
Naam. I want to know the name. Sir, this is your name.
Sir.
Sorry?
Sir, Drashya.
Okay, Drashya. So, first I should introduce you with Drashya. Drashya is the student of B8 batch. He lives in Mathura, in UP. And he is the student of sixth class.
Sir, 7th.
Okay, sorry beta, yaar. Sorry, yaar. 7th class. He is the student of 7th class. And I am very happy that a younger student than our elder students is ready here for this thing. And I hope that, and I think so that this process will help you in your future. And in chat box, I have got only one name. And as you know very well that if I didn't get any other name, and I think this is a very great thing that always Gati writes her name first. Congratulations, Gati. I am very happy and I am proud of you that always you write your name first. Yes, come on, Gati, then Tamanna, then Khushbu, then Drashya. Sparsh, okay. So, we are going to start our class. And I think the topic is clear to all of you. And everything is clear. So, yes, Drashya, come.
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agrawal. First of all, I am calling the name of Miss Gati. So please come.
Hello everyone, my name is Gati and I am the student of Rambad English Online Interactive Classes B1. As we all know that today's our topic is about pollution. So first of all, we should know about pollution, that what is pollution. So when something becomes impure, then we can say that it is polluted.
Listen to it carefully. Listen to her carefully. All the students, this is my advice to all. Yes.
There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. So first of all, we talk about air pollution. In impurities in air when impurity is in air, then we can say that it is air pollution. It causes many types of diseases, and because of it, many people get attack of asthma, and it
You have only 2 minutes time.
happens because
You have only 2 minutes time. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that you have a limited time. Only 2 minutes time, and you have to complete your speech or your views within 2 minutes time. Yes, come on, keep it. Carry on.
okay, sir. And second type is
अभिषेक
water
क्या कर रहे हो?
pollution.
अभिषेक क्या कर रहे हो? अभिषेक, yes, Gati, carry on.
Yes, sir. And second type is water pollution, and water pollution causes also many types of diseases. It polluted the water, and because of polluted water, many people falling ill. And third type is land pollution. In present time, land pollution is becoming is becoming too much, and by throwing garbage here and there, it happens. And fourth type is noise pollution. Many people sing song. Many people listen song in very loud noise, very loud volume. This way, many people get problems about their ears, and many people become deaf. So these types of pollution, and we should and our government should do some efforts for controlling the pollution, and the people also should become aware about it, and they check the pollution. That's it.
Very good.
Very good. You speak very nice. Your flow was also very good. I see that you always try to become first and speak first. Second, I will call Miss Tamanna.
Yes, hello everyone. I am Tamanna. Today I am going to tell you about pollution. First of all, I want to explain what is the meaning of pollution. Which things, those things which pollutes environment is called pollution. There are many types of pollution like noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, etc. Now I want to explain you what is the reasons of water pollution. Many people wash clothes near the ponds, rivers. That makes water polluted. Next is noise pollution, which is there are many reasons of noise pollution like loudspeakers, the sound of vehicles, etc. And the next is air pollution. There are many reasons of it like the smoke of vehicles, and the chimneys of factories, etc. We can. So I have a suggestion that we should not wash our clothes near the ponds, rivers. That's it, sir.
Okay. Yes. Drashya, hurry up.
You speak very nice. Your flow was nice. You tried to speak good. Next, I will call Miss Khushbu.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes Best First. As we all know that today's our topic is about pollution. At first I want to tell you about what is the meaning of pollution. When something is impure in the whole environment, then something is impure, so we can say it is pollute, and it is called a pollution. Now I want to tell you about 4 types of pollution: noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Now I want to tell you about noise pollution. When someone listen to song in the loud volume, it is called noise pollution. Now I want to tell you land pollution. Some people throw rubbish here and there in the land, and it is very dangerous for our health because we are ill. We can. We can improve it. Now I want to tell you about water pollution. Some people throw rubbish in the water and they wash their clothes in ponds and rivers. So it is polluted by this method. So we should improve this method. And now I want to tell you about air pollution. Some dangerous airs in dangerous airs attack our health, like we should like people of industrial areas, they can doing their work, but they remove it, and people think about they are doing, so that's why pollution is decreasing. That's it.
Okay.
You spoke very nice. Your flow was also very good. Keep it up. Next, I am.
Hmm.
Next is my turn.
Hmm.
Hi everyone, I am Rashagwal. Today I am going to tell you about pollution. There are four types of pollution: noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Noise pollution is the thing which harms the environment as well as the human body. Um, I will tell you about the types of environment. First of all, I will tell you about the noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by the traffic, when people horn when people horns by their vehicles, um, when uh, when anyone sings so much loudly, then also it causes. Now I will tell you about water pollution. Water pollution is caused by due to water. If many people wash clothes near rivers, lakes, oceans, etc. So the water gets dirty. That's why the water pollution is caused gets caused. I will tell you about the air pollution. Air pollution is also caused by the traffic, because when the smoke get out from the vehicles, then it cause, and many people burn the burn the garbage anywhere, so it causes. Now I will tell you about the land pollution. Land pollution is caused by throwing garbage here and there. Um, our government has made many policies to decrease pollution. Like our government has make this policy that anyone will not speak louder after 10 o'clock of the night. That's it.
Okay, very good. Good speaking. Drashya, keep it up. Yes, now continue your anchoring.
Mm, Now it's the turn of Sparsh Didi.
First, Bhaiya. Yes.
Okay.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Ishwar Gupta and I am the student of Brahman English online interactive classes from batch B1, and today I am going to tell you on the topic of pollution. Now, first I am telling you about what is pollution. When something gets polluted by harmful contaminants, then it is called pollution. There are four types of pollution: noise pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. First, air pollution is caused by the harmful smoke of BD cigarettes and by the harmful smoke of cars and and etc. Second is water pollution. Water pollution can be caused by global warming because through global warming acid rain can be held, and through it acid water will mix in water. This is the very big cause of water pollution. Third is noise pollution. Noise pollution can be caused by the loudspeakers or TV when there is the volume of when there is high volume of loudspeaker and TV. Fourth is land pollution. Land pollution is caused by ourselves because we throw garbage here and there. That's on land. That's why land pollution can be held. And I appeal to you that none of you throw garbage here and there. That's it.
Okay.
You speak very nice, very good. Keep it up. Now it's the turn of Payal Didi. Payal Didi. Payal Didi. Next, I will call Harshit.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of B8 Ramban online interactive classes. As we all know that today's our topic is on pollution. There are four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. First of all, I am telling about air pollution. Air pollution is increased by nature or by humans because humans the we, by the help of humans vehicles it also come and by the nature it's also come like a dangerous gas which name is carbon dioxide. The plant the plant live to it and it is harmful for us. Now I am telling about water pollution. Some sometimes humans wash their clothes on the in the beach and they wash their clothes by soap and they clean their animals in the river or pond, so it become dirty and the garbage which came out from the factories it also came, and if there is no pond or river nearby of the factories, so they throw it on the land, so it also increase to the land pollution. Now I am telling about land pollution. Some humans throw the garbage here and there, so it increase, and if any animal eat it, so it can also be die.
Time is
Now I
over.
am telling. Okay, sir.
Sorry. Yes, Drashya.
You speak very nice. You did not. You spoke very nice. You didn't stop anywhere. Keep it up. Now it's turn of Divyanshi Didi.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling about pollution. Pollution when something mix with air, water and mud and makes dirty them is a pollution. There are four types of pollution: uh, land pollution, air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. The biggest reason of pollution is that someone cut trees a lot, and someone throw their garbage here and there, and people wash their clothes at river. Uh, they wash their animals and their clothes, and they take bath at the river, by which the water makes dirty, and someone uh, on someone plays loudspeakers and their speakers at on a high volume, by which uh, we get the noise pollution, and the gases the gases leaked by factories and vehicles, a lot of by which we get air pollution, and I think that we must not cut trees, and we should grow so many trees, and we
we should use vehicles a little way. We should use cycles, and we should not throw our garbage here and there. That's it, sir.
Well done, Divyanshi Didi. You spoke very nice. Your flow was also very good. Keep it up. Now it's the turn of Jyoti Didi.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am here to speak about pollution. Pollution means impurity. There are mainly three kinds of pollution. There are like noise pollution, air pollution and water pollution and land pollution. These things are polluted for reasons more than one, like sound pollution and loud speaker and motor horns. The cause of sound pollution and many places people use very loud speaker and it is also called sound pollution and voice pollution, and there are and air pollution. Many poisonful gases are increased in the air and so many people facing to take breath in the environment and they feel ill and they have to go in the hospital, and many factories and industrial areas, many harmful gases are increased. So by this many problems are created, and water pollution. What in the many people throw garbage in the water and they also use water for bathing their animals, and they also bath in the river. They wash their clothes in the river by the help of soap. By this, water is polluted, and if other person use this water, that they can get disease by this dirty water and land pollution. And
Time is over,
I am
madam. Sorry.
okay.
Good speaking, Jyoti Didi. You speak very good. Keep it up. Next is the turn of
Sir, my turn.
You please wait. You have missed your
Ruchika.
turn. Where had you gone?
Okay, sir.
Where you gone?
सर कॉल आ गया था.
Sorry, please wait now, है ना? Yes, come on,
Okay,
Drishya.
sir.
Now it's the turn of Ruchika Didi.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about pollution. The thing that is impure and pollutes, that is harmful for environment, is known as pollution. There are four types of pollution: land pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and water pollution. The first is air pollution. Some gases are here which are not good for air, and pollutes to the air is known as air pollution, and it is also increased by factories, industrial areas. And the second is water pollution. By bathing and washing clothes, and by bathing animals nearby ponds, river, then it pollutes to the water, and it is also known as water pollution. And the third is land pollution. Human throw here and there garbages, and that pollutes to the land, is known as land pollution. And the fourth is noise pollution. The noise pollution is very harmful for all humans, but it is increased by the humans also, and uh, up to 80 decibels is harmful for human, and it is also known as noise pollution. And I request to all the people that they should listen all the things that are harmful for an environment, and they do it for their profit, but it is not good for nature. it took opposite to after it if they get profit it because by cutting trees the air pollution takes place and by too much noise by too much noise is harmful for human because it may take someone to die and the throwing here and there garbage is also harmful for animals because they can eat it and they may die. And the fourth is water pollution.
Okay, time
They
is over, Ruchika. Sorry.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And Shikha Didi, you didn't make any mistake. You also speak very well.
Now please call the name of Payal. That's it.
Now it's the turn of Miss Payal.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Payal. Today telling about pollution. Pollution is the very big problem. The problem of pollution is growing every day and is causing a risk to the population of the country. The problem of pollution has become is a very serious problem. Mm, there are three kinds of pollution. These are noise pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. Noise pollution are sound of aircraft, loudspeakers, and motor horns. It is very dangerous. And second is air pollution. Air pollution by smoke from factories, vehicles, industries, etc. Pollution pollution is not a national but a global problem. Reuse, reduce, and recycle are the best main source of stop pollutions. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Very nice, Payal Didi. You speak those words.
Spoke.
You spoke few words which anyone didn't spoke. Now I will call the name
Okay.
of
Preeti madam.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today our topic is pollution. Pollution is an impurity which is spread around all of us. It is present in water and in air also. In which is present in air, that is called air pollution, and water pollution. There are many kinds of pollution: noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. First of all, I'll talk about the air pollution. Air pollution is caused by many things, as air pollution is caused by the industries. In industries which chimneys are used, they throw the smoke outside, which spread the chemicals and gases which are not good for the air. They get they pollute the air, and it caused air pollution. And air pollution is caused by the traffic also, because the smoke which comes out from the vehicles, that causes air pollution. So we can ignore it, we can reduce it by using the less vehicles. We should use big conveyance, even government conveyance in place of private conveyance. And we should use cycles except the cars and auto rickshaws, which pollute the air. And next, I'll talk about the noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused due to when people hear the music in loud volume, and if there is no requirement of the horn, and if there is a traffic in any area or any road, then people start honking if it is not required. But
Time is over.
okay, sir.
Well done, Miss Preeti. You also spoke very well. Keep it up. Next is the turn of Suhani.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani, and today is all know, as we all know, the topic of pollution. So first of all, I want to tell you about pollution, definition of pollution. The action of making air, water, etc. dangers are called pollution. There are 5 types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, water pollution, and plastic pollution. First of all, I talk about plastic pollution. Plastic is very dangerous thing of our life, and this is very normal thing of our life. We all use plastic in many ways, like we go to shops, so the shopkeeper give things in a plastic bag, and there are toffee wrappers, chips wrappers are in a plastic. So we escape these things, and we bring a bag made of cloth, and we use this. And then I tell you about the air pollution. Air pollution is very dangerous of our life, and these pollute by factories and home chimneys. So now I tell you about water pollution. Some people washing clothes and washing clothes and many things they do near of pond.
Time
And
is over.
they
Mm.
okay, sir.
Yes.
Very good, Swani. Well done. You spoke very nice. Your flow was good. Keep it up. And next is the turn of Miss Priyanka.
Hello. Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I want to tell you about pollution. Pollution means impurity. The problem of pollution has become very serious today, and it is very harmful beings for us. There are 4 kinds of pollution. These are noise pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. These things are polluted for reason more than one. First sound of aircraft, loudspeakers, and motor gadis, etc. And second, air pollution. Air pollution is pollution by smoke from factories and gases from industries units. Then water pollution is the problem of bodies of water, such as likes river, sea, as well as groundwater. So pollution is a dangerous thing, and it is affects us in different ways. That's it.
Didi, Well done, Miss Priyanka. You spoke very good. Your flow was very nice. Well done. Keep it up. Next is the turn of Ashfaq Bhaiya.
Hello everyone, my name is Isfaq Khan. I am the student of Rambad English Online Tutorial classes. Today's our topic is pollution. Now I'll tell you about pollution. There are four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. I am tell you about air pollution. Air pollution's reason is many factories and wheels, and water pollution's reason is because we wash our clothes and many things near ponds and lakes, and uh, land pollution's reason is garbage. We throw our useless things here and there, so we get land pollution. And now tell you about noise pollution. Noise pollution's reason is high volume. Mm, we listening songs at high volume, then we get noise pollution. uh, Noise pollution is very harmful for our ears, and mm, and air pollution made many uh, so and that's it.
ओके,
Good
कोई बात नहीं
Ashfaq.
अशफाक, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ,
Well done, Ashfaq Bhaiya. You speak very nice. You didn't stop anywhere. You tried your best. Next is the turn of Miss Priya.
Yes, sir. Hello friends, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling to you about the pollution. That thing which pollutes our environment is called pollution. In our environment, the pollution is increasing day by day. It is not in India, rather it is increasing in all the world. There are 4 types of pollution. First, water pollution. Second, air pollution. Third, noise pollution. 4, soil pollution. If we talk about on water pollution, so its biggest region is throwing garbage in the water. Now, air pollution. Some people do smoke, and smoke of factories, its biggest region. Noise pollution. Some people run their music system in very fast volume, so it is also a reason of its increasing. Soil pollution. Some people throw the plastic garbage here and there. By it, the soil pollution is increasing. Solution of pollution. We don't throw garbage in the water and also on the soil. We should run our music system in very low volume. People must not smoke, and the great measure to stopping the pollution is the growing trees. So we should grow the trees. That's it, sir.
Very good, Miss Priya. You well done. Your flow was good. Your contents were also good. Next is the turn of Dilkush Bhaiya.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkush Meena. Today I am telling about pollution. Pollution means impurity. There are three types of pollution. These are noise pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. First of all, I am telling about air pollution. Air pollution is spread by the smoke of many industries and vehicles. Now I am telling about noise pollution. Noise pollution is spread by the sound of loudspeakers and many vehicles. It is very harmful for us. Water pollution. Water pollution is spread by many people. Many people wash their clothes and visit the ponds and rivers, so that water becomes dirty.
बस within 40 seconds. Okay, yes, come on दृश्य.
Nice,
कंजूसी बहुत करते हो तुम, दिलकुश, बहुत कंजूसी करते हो बोलने में. Yes.
nice effort, Dilkush Bhaiya. You tried to spoke well. Next is Sonam Didi.
Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. Today my topic is pollution. Pollution is a very serious problem these days. It is very harmful for human beings. There are mainly three kinds of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Meals and vehicles smoke into the air, thus air is polluted. Thus, we say that there is pollution everywhere. Due to pollution, our life is affected. It causes many diseases like TB, cancer, asthma, and eye eye disease. Noise pollution is harmful and it makes the people deaf. Pollution is caused by both nature as well as human. Reuse, reduce, and recycle are the best measure to stop pollution. Government is doing a lot of work to fight pollution. We hope that this problem will be solved. That's it, sir.
Good Sonam Didi, you spoke nice. Your contents were also good. Next is the turn of Miss.
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Namane. Today I am telling about the pollution. Pollution is when gases,
Hello.
chemicals, and smoke are introduced in the environment in
हाँ
large quantities, which
ये साफ कर लो बेटा.
which harms human beings,
Okay बेटा.
plants, and animals. Some forms of pollution can be seen or some are invisible. So there are four types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. So first I am telling about the air pollution. The harmful burning gases of fuels such as coal, petroleum, in some major industries like electrical power plants, etc., cause air pollution. Smoke emitted from the factories and houses pollute the air pollution, pollute the atmosphere. And the second is noise pollution. Noise pollution is considered as the environmental pollution caused in the environment in the high quantity by the speakers, horns of vehicle, etc. Noise pollution is also known as the disturbance. And the third one is water pollution. Water is an essential natural element that help human beings to survive on Earth. Our body almost consists 60% of water. Water pollution is water pollution is created by the people who washes their clothes on the well and the sea, which make the water dirty, so that the water gets polluted. And the last one is land pollution. Land pollution is caused by many different factors that pollute the land. This like people throw uh, garbage on the roads, so that the some people burn the plastic, so the environment gets dirty. That's all.
Yes,
Yes, Drashya.
very good, Karina Didi. Your well done, Karina Didi. Your contents and your flow was very good. Next is the turn of Anjali Didi. Hello, Anjali Didi. Are you here?
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today my topic pollution. Pollution is very harmful for us. There are many type pollution. Noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution. Noise pollution is a big problem for us. Pollution is caused by loudspeaker, horn, etc. Air pollution is caused by smoke, dust,
Caused नहीं caused. Caused नहीं
caused
caused.
by smoke, dust, and other things, and other harmful gas. Pollution is not good. Pollution is not good for human being. Air pollution make our environment dirty. Water pollution is very Water is very important for human life. Without water, we can not live. Imagine.
We cannot
We
imagine our
can
life.
not imagine our life. We are facing very serious problem of water pollution. We get water from river, lakes, etc. Many river lakes are polluted.
Time is over, Anjali.
Well done, Anjali Didi. Your points were very good. Next is Astha.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling you about pollution. Pollution is very harmful for us. There are many types of pollutions: water pollution, noise pollution, plastic pollution, and air pollution. First I am telling you about air pollution. Air pollution air pollution air pollution spreads in air, and it is very harmful for us. Next, I am telling you about noise pollution. Noise pollution is spreads from vehicles, horns, and loudspeakers. And it is also dangerous. It is also very dangerous for old people. Now I am telling you about water pollution. Many people wash clothes from the water of river, ponds and lakes. The ponds, rivers and lakes are polluted from pollution. So water pollution is very harmful for many people. Next, I am telling you about plastic pollution. Plastic is very harmful for animals also, because we throw plastics on roads, gardens, so cow and many animals eat them. So that's it.
Well done, Astha. Your contents and your flow were very good. Next is Vinay ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell you about pollution. Air, water, soil, and the environment are the natural wealth of our planet and support the life of all living beings on the earth. But they are.
Make your voice clear,
आवाज
madam.
नहीं आ रही है सर?
बहुत आ रही है लेकिन क्लियर नहीं है आपकी आवाज.
एक मिनट से दोबारा शुरू करती हूँ.
Your time is going on.
ओके सर, ओके. गुड इवनिंग. अब सही आ रही सर?
आ रही है पर कम आती है आवाज.
अभी भी कम आ रही है?
बोलो आप बोलो अब जैसा भी ये टाइम चल रहा है आपका.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about pollution. And air, water, soil, and the environment are our natural wealth, and they are supported the life and all living beings. But now they are getting mixed with unwanted elements, and this is known as the pollution. There are three types of pollution: water pollution, and sound pollution, and air pollution. And air pollution caused by the smoke come through industries and vehicles, and AC also
AC release a very harmful gas, which is which goes to upside and stop there. And water pollution caused by human being and animals. Some drains are open in the river and they get dirty the water, and some people throw garbage in the river. It is get dirty the river. And sound pollution caused by some people making making a very loud noise when they have some occasion. They play the music very high level, and play a horn. Vehicle horn is also the cause of noise pollution. And today man is using machine day by day. These machine also throw the smoke and waste material which is got mixed in the air and water and else in the soil, and the peaceful environment is polluted with the unwanted noise. And pollution is harmful for living conditions. Air pollution may cause lungs disease like asthma, eye flu. Water pollution result is unbreakable of cholera and other disease. And noise pollution
Time
noise
is over,
pollution is
madam.
harmful for people, physical and mental health both. Okay sir.
I gave you all the
Okay sir,
full
वो
time.
एक्चुअली वो थोड़ा सा वो हो गया था ना.
कोई बात नहीं,
Okay.
मैंने आपको पूरा टाइम दे दिया, लेकिन है ना 3 मिनट का टाइम मैंने दिया है,
जी जी,
वो टाइम
thank you
मैंने
sir,
एक्स्ट्रा
thank
दे
you
दिया
sir.
आपको.
Well done.
यस, कम ऑन,
Well
दृश्य.
done, ma'am. Your contents and your flow were very good. Next is the turn of Purnima, ma'am.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to telling about pollution. Pollution has become a very common yet serious issues in today's world. It has been there for a long time, even before human evolution, such as volcanic eruption, wildfire, which leads to various photochemical reactions. The current concern is that it is rising day by day due to various resources of pollutant. There are mainly three kinds of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution Air pollution occurs due to the presence of harmful gases and substances in the air. It is due to vehicle emissions, dust and dirt, poisonic gases from the factories. To reduce air pollution, we should use public transportation and like carpooling, and stop using private vehicles. Water pollution happens when toxic substance get mixed in various water bodies such as lake, ocean, river, etc. Here toxic substance means chemical fertilizer, industrial wastage, sewage, mining activities, uh, uh, to maintain the soil fertility, the government must limit the uses of fertilizers and plant more trees.
Time is over,
Okay,
madam.
sir.
Good, nice speaking, but yes,
Very
come on,
good,
Drashya.
Purnima, ma'am. Your contents and your flow were very good. Next is the turn of Alana.
Okay.
टाइम स्टार्ट कराना, स्टार्ट करो.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग, स्टार्ट करो बेटा.
The meaning of pollution is dirt, impure or defect. The pollution is damaging our Mother Earth in various ways. Pollution spread various diseases across the world. Pollution has reduced the usable amount of natural resources, and the cause of the air, water, and the land pollution is human. Pollution is causing life-related issues at an extent that we are not able to breathe and live a healthy life. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes,
Very
Rashid.
good. Nice efforts, Raina. Next is the turn of Rashmi.
Yes, Rashmi.
Didi, are you here?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is Rashmi present or not?
Yes, sir.
यस, स्टार्ट करो बेटा, इतनी देर मत लगाया करो. टाइम चालू है आपका, टाइम चल रहा है आपका बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashmi Meena. I am about myself. My name is Rashmi Meena. My
यस, ओके, वेरी गुड. यस.
name is Rashmi
बोल
Meena.
बेटा.
My father name is Vaishal Meena. He is a businessman. My mother name is Ansi Devi Meena. She is a housewife. I live at Kanota in Jaipur. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite color is pink. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite teacher is Rajiji sir. I have three sisters.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. बोल बेटा.
I have
हाँ.
3 sisters. I play game. My qualification is passed. My favorite subject is English.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
That's it, sir.
ओके. यस, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, कोशिश बहुत अच्छी की
Well
तूने.
done,
यस,
Miss
दृश्य.
Rashmi. Your contents and your flow were good. Next is the turn of Nisha Didi.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am going to tell you about pollution. Pollution has become big problem in these days. There are 4 types of pollution. First, air pollution. Second, noise pollution. And third, water pollution. Or fourth, land pollution. Now I'll tell you about air pollution. The air is being polluted by the smoke of vehicles and chimneys of factories, mill or workshop, etc. We should use very few of vehicles for stop. Now I tell you about noise pollution. The noise pollution is caused by the unwanted sound coming out of machines of factories and loudspeaker. It is not good. So we should use very few. Now I tell you about water pollution. Water pollution. Water is polluted by the waste of industries and human beings. Nowadays, it is not good because nowadays water is very important for our life. So we should use very few. Nowadays, pollution has become harmful for all world. So we should try to stop. That's it.
Well done, Nisha Didi. Your contents and your flow was very good. Next is the turn of Vanshleya.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Today's topic is pollution. There are 3 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. First, noise pollution. We use loudspeaker in very loud volume. Second, water pollution. We throw garbage in lakes, ponds, etc. Third, third, air pollution. We leave harmful gases. Says we leave harmful gases for air in air. Mm, It it is harmful for us. That's it.
Okay.
Good job, Ansh bhaiya. Your points were good. That's
ओके, थैंक यू दृश्य फॉर टुडेज क्लास। और अब जो बच गए हैं, जो हमारे B9 वाले हैं, कुछ B8 वाले हैं, कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, B9 वाले पर्टिकुलरली B8 वाले अगर बोलना चाहते हैं किसी भी चीज को लेकर के इंग्लिश में, सो दे आर मोस्ट वेलकम।
सर मैं वाटर पॉल्यूशन के बारे में बोल सकता हूँ?
आप बोलो ना, कौन मना कर रहा है आपको? यस, स्टार्ट करो।
In the earth there are many types of pollution. Mostly there are three types of pollution.
कैमरा चालू करो अपना, कैमरा चालू करो बेटा आप तो अपना।
Mostly there was three types.
हाँ, कैमरा क्यों बंद कर दो? हाँ हाँ बोलो, क्या हुआ? आपकी आवाज गई, कैमरा बंद करो। चलो चलो, और कोई?
Types of pollution:
प्रदीप,
water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution. Water pollution was divided. Yes, sir. हेलो, आवाज आ रही सर?
अब बेटा बीच बीच में भी बंद हो जाती है आपकी आवाज, बोलो।
So sir, air pollution. Air pollution was pollution is a when some harmful things and the particles of soil are mixed in air. It is called air pollution. Air pollution is harmful for our lungs and liver. It causes very harmful for us. Air pollution हो गया. Soil pollution. Soil pollution was soil pollution is, sorry sir, थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो गया।
वो कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं,
increasing day by day,
फर्स्ट टाइम।
and it was very harmful for us. When we throw the garbage without safety and without fully packaged anywhere, and the earth is not consume it. The earth is not able to consume it.
बेटा अभी मैं थोड़ी देर बाद बात करूँ तेरे से, क्लास में हो गई है ना।
And noise pollution.
हाँ बेटा, थोड़ी देर बाद बात
When someone play music at capacity of 144 hertz upper than, it's called noise pollution.
टाइम इज ओवर बेटा। बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है, कोशिश करोगे तो हो जाएगा। सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग। यस, एनीवन एल्स? यस, हाँ बोल, फटाफट बोल, जल्दी कर।
I read in class 8th. My mother name is Jyoti Sahu. My father name is Vishnu Sahu. My hobby is play badminton. I go to temple daily. I get up 6 o'clock. I read in English daily. I sleep in 10 o'clock. That's it.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, बस कोशिश करना है अपने
सर
को।
मैं
और कोई?
अबाउट योरसेल्फ बोल रहा था। गौरव।
कौन है?
सर
Yes, Gaurav.
my name is Gaurav Peswani. I get up early in the morning and I study at Commerce College Jaipur, and my hobby is playing cricket. My favorite color is black. I go to temple daily. My favorite subject English, and my father name is Kishore Kumar Peswani. I am a student of chartered accountant. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड। ऐसी खोलोगे धीरे धीरे। और कोई? मैं मोना, बोल मोना।
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is pollution. There are three types
pollution, air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution. Some people.
आवाज आवाज आवाज.
First, water pollution.
हाँ.
Some people wash clothes in the river and we pollute water with chemical and other material.
शाबाश शाबाश, कोशिश कर बेटा, कोशिश कर.
Air pollution. We pollute air. We use loudspeaker songs. Listen to songs.
Very good.
Third,
घबराओ बिल्कुल मत. ना करने से कुछ करना अच्छा होता है. कुछ ना करने से कुछ करना अच्छा होता है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. हाँ.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग.
that's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. वेरी गुड. और कोई?
सर क्या?
B8 B, अभी आप क्लास छोड़ के चले गए थे. B1 में से सबने बोल दिया. B6 में केवल कोहिनूर रह गया. B6 और B8 में कोहिनूर रह गया, वो क्लास छोड़ के जा चुका है. इस चीज का हमारे पास कोई इलाज नहीं है. और कोई B9 में से, बढ़िया बात तो ये कि B9 में से भी आपने बोलने की कोशिश की है. और कोई B9 में से बोलना चाहता है? बाकी तो सबका हो गया. हाँ.
मैं है ना कि पॉल्यूशन पे नहीं, मैं स्कूल पे या फिर होम पे बोल सकता हूँ क्या?
बोल बोल बोल, जल्दी बोल.
सर होम पे बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
जल्दी बोल फटाफट.
My name is Bhavesh Sharma. I study in Ramban English interactive classes. I am talk about my home. My house. My house is very big. There are many rooms in my house. There is one kitchen in my house. There is one guest room in my house. There are many temples in near my house. There is one big ground in near my house. There is
This is the student from B9 batch. Yes, come on.
there is one one circle in near my house. There are many restaurants in my house, near my house. There are many sockets in my house. There are many bedroom. There are many beds in my house.
Very good, very good. Yes.
There are many trees in front of my house. There is one temple in my house. There is one temple in my house. There are many TVs in my house. There are many things in my house. There is one big parking in my house. There is one domestic animal in my house. There are many family members in my house.
Okay, yes.
There is one study room in my house.
ढूंढ के ला रहा है. बोल.
In my house.
You are on your search. हाँ, yes. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. बोल बेटा, बोलता रहे.
There are many almiras in my house. There are.
बस. Time is over. Not more than 2 minutes. तो कल तक बोलता रहेगा ऐसे तो. Okay. Anyone else? और कोई है? मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ फिर.
सर अभी ये जो
Okay.